Hello everybody, and today we're going to make some currant berry wine using about 3 pounds of currants at a local farm. Let's get to work. Okay, so what we need to do is get a large pot of water boiling. Now this is 3 gallons of water. Then we have our fermentation bucket on the right side, getting cleaned and soaking in one step. And while that does that, we're going to sift through the berries. I'll take the clean berries and put them in the holding tank. And then we just keep doing this until we're out of berries. Don't mind my clean dishes on the other side. Yeah, they're clean. Come back. Okay, so what we're left with is our fermentation bucket. We have our currant berries, then we have the water that's going to be used for killing off any microbials, or is it microbials, to kill the germs that we don't want in our wine. So that's what that's for. We're going to put that and that together and get the process rolling. The only thing we need is for this to reach a boiling point, and we are not even close to that. Let's check the temperature, see if we're above 149 to kill off as many germs and grossness that we do not want in our beers. What you might hear in the background is the fermentation bucket emptying. It had the sanitizer and cleaner all getting ready for us. Okay, we have reached above 150 and we are climbing to 160, which is perfect. So we are right on track. Next, add the berries. Let's see if I can do it this way. Here we go. Let's add our water. And for now, we are going to let this sit. Okie doke. Then we put the trusty airlock on there. Let's clean the top just a little bit. And we are going to let this sit for 2 days. Every so often we'll shake it up. And this is probably going to happen. With all the air that accumulates, I'll have to burp it, close it back up, And this will need to be changed 2 to 3 times before you're on track. Okay, it's the next day. You might hear my cat Diesel. He's a Maine Coon cat. He is now, I believe, 16 years old. It's an old cat. Anyways, we had our wine started yesterday. We poured boiling water on top of the currant berries. That should hopefully kill any of the wild yeast that's on there. Today, it's very simple. We're just going to swirl the berries a little bit, pull out any of the flavors that we can, and tomorrow we're going to basically squish out any other flavors from the berries with some sort of a masher, hopefully a potato masher or something if I can find one. Then we'll pour on sugar and the yeast, swish it around some more, incorporate some air, and then all we do is let it sit for months and months until it's done. Okay, so today all we do is shake it up a little bit. I'll see you on the next day. We have our simple syrup warming up, and it's basically 8 pounds of sugar and 3 gallons of water. And what I'm going to do is pour this into our bucket mixture of currant berries, water, and that's it. The next thing we do is take our yeast, whoop, right there. Let's see if it actually focuses. All right, it's a Red Star Premier Blanc. We sprinkle it over the top and spread the yeast out as much as possible across the surface area. And you might see a cat walk into the shot. That's Diesel. He's 16 years old. Next, put the top back on. Woo. Let it burp and set it aside. That's it. We made some wine today. Well, we made some wine this week. We had currant berries, a bucket, water, sugar, something to stir it with, a stove to heat the water up, and that's it. Wine is easy to make, and it can be easier, and I'll show you how to do that in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I guess I can be one of those people that say, like the video. It's like one of those buttons down here somewhere, and then subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers, and so far that's you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.